Hello to everyone! I'm Violetta in Russian for Foreigners today. Today I'm gonna finalize all pronouns, so what we talked about before, but I put everything in order. And I want you to understand that it's not so complicated that you thought maybe before, but okay, I want you to go to the board with me and you should see how it is. So let's start from their explanation. So here it's a cases. First one, nominative case, another genitive and accusative. I'll put them together because it's like the same pronouns here. Do you understand that it's the same? It's not in order. It's not goes, how to say, correctly, but here I put them together to you understand that it's the same pronouns. Next one, dative, instrumental, and another prepositional. So here you can see English version of pronouns, and we can start from I, it means я in nominative case. If you say about your name something, you should know that in English you should say I am Violetta. But in Russian we don't use to be. We don't say am, we're just saying I Violetta. So can be in Russian я Violetta without am, without is, or something like that. So you should understand that it's here so easy in our language. We not put a lot of stuff together in the same sentence. So I think you are happy to know that. So I, so means я Violetta. Я Violetta. So nominative case. Ты Сергей. Ты Светлана, ты Екатерина, whatever. So I know I have a lot of subscribers with a lot of names, but I can't pronounce all of them here. So you, ты. Remember, without you are, without are, without to be. So ты and your name. He, on, I'm talking about him, on, Sergey, on, I don't know, Nikos or something. On. She, она, in nominative case, она, she, Olga. So, она. If you introduce your friend to your another friend, you say, Она Ольга, nice to meet you, приятно познакомиться, приятно познакомиться, nice to meet you. So, we, here it's so important, I want you to understand that this letter, it's not E, it's U, it's different. It's more stronger, and you have to focus on this letter because all foreigners miss these sounds and pronouns differently. So we have a word мы, it means we are, мы, not me. Sounds so funny. Me. So not me, мы. So мы. You, again, this letter, вы, not we, but вы. Вы, it means you, but can be a formal version, like you're speaking with someone who is older than you. To show your respect, you should use вы. If you go to your friend and you can see your friend's your mom, you should say вы. Not ты. Not ты. it's more important to understand because it's Russian culture and people can offend you. So be sure that you're respectful. So you, вы, they, они. This one is everything in nominative case, and you should know that when you introduce yourself, you're talking at this way. Your pronouns will be at this part. Next one, it's a genitive case and accusative, and I put them together to you understand that these cases are the same, and you shouldn't overthink and over memorize it, you know. You should know that these cases are the same. So, меня, it means yeah, but in genitive, if you are talking about what is your name, someone can ask you, you should say меня зовут. My name is, but we say меня, it means someone can call me Violetta. At this way we're introducing ourselves. So, меня зовут, меня пригласили. I was invited. So, меня пригласили. Someone invite me. Меня любят. Someone loves me. Меня любят. You know? Another one, тебя, if I'm at this way talking about you. Тебя приглашаю, I invite you, тебя. It means I invite you. This is important. I invite you, it means я приглашаю тебя. Он, его, я приглашаю его. So I invite him to my lessons or whatever. Not maybe in one day to drink coffee, but now inviting for the lesson. So here, she, ее, if I invite her, it means I should say ее. Do you see here? Look like two the same letters, but for sure it's different. Because, okay, here you can see two dots here. Can you see? But pronouncing are different. So, ye first and yo. Ye, yo. You can pronounce it when you are talking about her. I invite her. I call her. So I speak with her. So you should say ее. But in Russian, let's say, give you example. In Russian you should say я приглашаю. Remember my favorite word, invite. Я приглашаю ее. I invite her. Я люблю ее. I love her. Я люблю ее. So whatever. Remember, you should know that every cases has a question, so you should ask before you pronounce this pronouns. You should say, okay, this pronouns I should use because this pronouns answered as a question, and check genitive or accusative. It can be to whom? Ее. It means I should use ее if I'm talking about her. So, and next one. We, мы. And genitive and accusative. To whom? We, but to whom? Нас. Нас. She invites us. You can say invite us. So again, here you should know that нас, it means all of us, or you and me, or someone. Нас. Она, she, пригласила, invite us. Do you understand? So you should memorize that here about invitation. Just to you understand that this one we're talking about invitation, this one about introducing, like in case you understand. So вас, их, there, их, invite, их. So next one, this one we are giving someone, dative case, giving, here inviting, here giving, to whom, мне, to whom, тебе, giving, ему, he, ему, she, ей, ей, we, нам. So someone gives us something, like presentation card, what I told you before, or some present, or something, whatever it can be. It depends on the person who gives you, maybe kisses, I don't know, it depends. So dative case give мне, тебе, ему, ей, нам, нам, вам. Pay attention here, you can use two ways when you are speaking with a people, group of people, or with someone who you want to show respect. So вам. Maybe it's a one person, but you want to show your respect. So вам. Another, им. Okay, let's move on. Here we are proud. Remember, at this part we are proud. Proud of мной, горжусь. Мной, тобой, горжусь. I proud of you. Я горжусь тобой, мной. Proud of myself, it can be. Тобой, I proud of you. Proud of им, he, but им, горжусь им, горжусь ей, горжусь нами, because we're here and improving our language. It's so good. So I'm proud of us. Я горжусь нами. Вами. Я горжусь вами. Next one. Я горжусь ими. You see, I can proud of everyone. Yeah, it's so good feeling, by the way. And my Russian friend improving also himself. So I'm proud of him. Я горжусь им. Next one, we are talking about someone or thinking about someone. Do you remember? I gave you example last time about thinking about someone. So at this part, prepositional, let's say we are thinking about someone. I'm thinking about myself, обо мне. I care about myself, обо мне. О тебе. I care about you. Really? I care about you. Я забочусь о тебе. Я, I am, забочусь о тебе. Забочусь о тебе. Or thinking about you. I really am. I really am. I'm really thinking about you. Я думаю о тебе. So, о нем, about him, I really think about him. Я думаю о нем. Я думаю о ней, if about her. Я думаю о ней. Я думаю о нас. I'm thinking about us. Я думаю о вас. I am thinking about you guys, о вас, or about someone who I respect. So it's someone, maybe one person, and I can say о вас. So I'm thinking about них. Я думаю о них. Do you see? I gave you examples to you memorize these look like complicated, so complicated pronouns, but it's not. And I want you to maybe take photo and put it in order and put it down in your note, and I leave to you take photo. So I think you have a time for it. So everything clear, I hope. If you have any question, ask me. I'm so happy to answer. So see you next time.